It is easy to write a single line comment, just type 2 for slash or forward slashes. And you can write whatever you want. But, the lines above and below are unaffected. You can also add it beside the code here, or here, to add a short description. There's no rule to add space between / and the comment, but hey, this is more readable. If a single line comment isn't enough, try multi-line comments. Type / then asterisk, and press enter. You can end this by typing a closing / and just type anything inside this, and you're good to go. Pretty useful for to-do lists just like earlier. Press Ctrl+KC to comment your codes. It's really handy when you have a huge chunk of code like this one. Press Ctrl+KU to uncomment. Just remember, use comments sparingly because it can produce dead codes. Also, 1 sub 1 like equals 1 step closer to YouTube algorithm. Happy coding everyone!